Well, as you can see, I'm sweating like crazy. I guess that's, you know, Vegas life. Getting ready to head out to Kaiju in a minute. Pretty much got everything packed up in the car. Got the 2 rear wheels in the back seat. Trunk full with 1 wheel. And this wheel is going to go in the passenger seat after I pull out the car. So, I will see you in a minute.
For a second now, communicate before we break down. 'Cause recently, so much been standing in the way. We said that we were gonna take it slow, move carefully, and give it time to grow. We said that we were gonna wait, but I just want it right now. I just want it right now.
Alright guys, this is how it looks. These are the wheels. This is at ride height, and here's what it looks like back or aired out. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the car real quick. Alright, as you can see, I'm still missing center caps. I got people voting on what I should get. Probably get that in the next week or so. But as you can see, we're aired out. I've still got about an inch, maybe a little less from the fender. So it tucks a little bit. The front though, oh yeah, there's about this much of room from the fender. So debating if I want to get spacers, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Alright, so brought the car to Kaiju yesterday, mounted tires and everything, did the alignment. We were able to raise up my maximum height in the front about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, and that I don't scrape going up my driveway anymore, which is good. For the alignment, everything was pretty much, you know, perfect, except for we have no way to really correct a lot of the camber. So I don't remember what degree negative camber I'm at ride height. Luckily, there was no issues with the install. All in all, I'm very happy with how everything turned out. Alright, so that's pretty much the end of this video. Let me know what you think of my wheels. Anyways, I gotta go take photos before the sun sets. So I'll see you guys next time. As always, I'm Jeff the Car Noob. Thanks for watching.